Very good evening, my dear students. I welcome you all in my GK class. Today, I am going to again record the video and we will discuss here what we had discussed in the classroom. Okay, so we are going to study book lovers. We had already discussed in the class about the Rusty series that is written by Ruskin Bond, right? Ruskin Bond written had a series that is Rusty, and it is the series of a growing up boy, and the boy is Anglo-Indian, and he lives in the valley of Dehradun in India. The story are about Rusty's meeting with interesting people and his unusual experiences. Students, reading book, it's a very good habit because they just update you the things which is going on. Reading helps you, reading make you smart also, right? Because you will get to know the characters about the story also, right? So here in this GK we are talking about the famous and adventurous stories written by the authors. The first one is which I'm discussing was Rusty. Rusty was a series that was written by Ruskin Bond, right? And it was the story of a Rusty who was a growing up boy, and the book was based on the story about his meetings with those people, about his unusual experiences, right? About his daring experiences. Okay, the next one, can you imagine living all alone on the island? Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe, and the story of a man who spent 28 years mostly alone on an island after his ship sank at sea. In this, the in this the author is saying that you just tell me, can you imagine that you are at the island? Island is a place, island is a land that is surrounded by the water, right? So here writer is saying that suppose you are a place, you are an island. We had already discussed what is island, a piece of land that is surrounded by the water, and you are there, and you are alone there. No one is with you, neither your father, nor your mama, neither your grandparents, nor your grandmothers. No one is there, and you are just all alone there. Then what? How do you feel? You have to just imagine. So. It, if you will read the story written by Daniel Defoe, that is Robinson Crusoe, if you will read the story, you will get to know about the feeling, right? Because that was the story of a man, and the man's ship was sank in the sea, right? And he was at that island, and he had spent 28 years of his life alone on that island. Okay, the next one I'm talking about, James and the Giant Peach, right? It is very interesting story, and this one is written by Roald Dahl. It is the story of a 4-year-old child, and that child is orphan. Orphan means कि वो अनाथ था, उसके मम्मी पापा नहीं थे, right? And he just wants to make friends, right? And he begins an adventurous journey and daring journey, right? And daring traveling with the help of a giant peach, a very large peach, and makes friends at the end of the journey. Whenever he just completed his journey, he had make a lots of friends. First of all, he had made his friend to a large peach. Okay, the next one is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It's also very interesting story, and it is written by Mark Twain, and you must read about this story. It is a story about a Tom. Tom is a naughty boy who always seems to get into trouble, or Tom was very mischievous boy who always anyhow he was any of the troubles. And the next one, The Jungle Book. As we had already discussed that Rusty is a series. Rusty is a series written by Ruskin Bond. Same as Jungle Book is also a series, and it is a series written by Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling has written a series named Jungle Book. It is a story of an Indian boy Mowgli. You must have had seen on the TV also. जंगल जंगल बात चली है पता चला है, right? चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, right? That is the story of a Mowgli. I think you all had seen on the TV also. You all had seen the story on the TV also, right? That was a really very interesting story I had seen when I was a child, who was raised by wolves and learns from the jungle animals, right? Who was raised by wolves. He was just surrounded by the wolves, dangerous wolves, and learned from the jungle animals to become wise. He was surrounded by the animals because he was in the forest, right? And he was learning from the animals how to live in the jungle. He became wise and self dependent also. Moving to the next slide. Again, it's the next story which I'm going to talk about, that is Malgudi Days. Malgudi Days is a collection of short stories, and it is written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan has written many of the short stories, and one of the collection is Malgudi Days. It is about Swami and his group of friends, and it is very interesting story. Must read it. You live in the small Indian town of Malgudi, right? Malgudi is a story of a story named Swami and his friends, right? And they were living in a small Indian town. The stories have also been made into popular TV series, right? If you will search, you will find out that there are TV series named Malgudi Days, and the main characters were Swami and his friends. Okay, so now just moving to the quick quiz. You have to just complete it in your book. So the first one is, can you identify these characters from famous storybooks? I'm just giving the something extraordinary about the characters, and you have to just identify which character it is. The first one is the novel written by E.B. White is about a boy who looks a hot like a mouse. The book tells about the little boy's adventures in a New York City. From the clever manner in which the little boy behaves with other characters and takes part in fun activities, it's clear that he is not an ordinary mouse. You must have seen a movie Stuart Little, right? It's very interesting movie also. It's a book, but some people had just made a movie on this character Stuart Little, and you will whenever you will see this movie, it's very very interesting, right? It's a story of a boy who just looks like a mouse, and you whenever you see this movie, you will find out the adventurous activities that is done by the mouse. Okay, now the next one is the story by Roald Dahl. We had already discussed a story written by Roald Dahl, and that is James and Giant Patch. James and Giant Peach, right? But here we are talking about his next story. So you have to just you have to just find out the name of this story. This story by Roald Dahl is about a young girl, right? Who is gifted with magical powers. A girl who had lots of magical powers, but her parents ignored their daughter's skills. But her parents didn't like that she is doing magic. They didn't like her magic qualities and think she is foolish. They were thinking that she is behaving like a fool, and why is she doing all these things? They didn't like her magic qualities, and that is the base of this story. And she was a young girl. She was having a lots of magical powers with her. She was gifted with the magical powers, and you have to just guess the name of the story. That is Matilda. Matilda is the story of a young girl who was gifted with magical powers. Okay. The third one is, this person in Jonathan Swift's novel reaches a strange island. This one is written by Jonathan Swift. It's a novel of Jonathan Swift, and in this novel, the person reached a strange island after his ship sinks at sea. जब उनकी जहाज़ डूब जाती है, वो एक आइलैंड पे पहुंच जाते हैं, and this one is written by Jonathan Swift. On the island, he finds himself a prisoner of people who are only 6 inches tall. Who is he? And he just reached an island that was surrounded by the people who were only 6 inches, जो सिर्फ 6 इंच के ही लंबे थे. सोचो, they were very very small. And you have to just tell me the name of that book. That is very famous story, Gulliver. When you will when you will promote to class 4th, then you will read that story, Gulliver. That is in your English reader book. That is, I'm telling you, very very interesting book. You just enjoy that story. I think you had seen a movie also based on that book. That is Jajantaram Mamantaram. That was a fantastic movie, must see. You will enjoy in that movie that he was surrounded by a very very tiny creatures in that movie. Okay, the next one, Anna Sewell wrote a story of a horse who lives in England, right? Anna Sewell ने एक स्टोरी लिखी थी एक हॉर्स की who lives in England, जो कि इंग्लैंड में रहता है, and the difficulties he faces while growing up, and whatever the difficulties he had faced during growing up, you will get to know in that story. What's the horse name? उस horse का क्या name था? That was the story of Black Beauty. What's the name of that horse? Black Beauty. Okay. Lewis Carroll, in this wonderful story, takes a girl into a land of tea parties and talking rabbits. What's the girl's name? आपको बताना है लेविस कॉरल की एक वंडरफुल स्टोरी. उसमें टेक्स अ गर्ल इनटू अ लैंड ऑफ टी पार्टीज. एक गर्ल को वो टी पार्टीज के लैंड पे ले जाते हैं, टॉकिंग रैबिट्स, और जो कि रैबिट से बात करती है. यू हैव टू जस्ट टेल द नेम ऑफ दैट गर्ल. आपको उस लड़की का नाम बताना है. द नेम ऑफ द गर्ल वॉज एलिस. ओके, I think you had just learned a lot from the videos. You have enjoyed the videos also, and if you haven't enjoyed the video, you have to just like